Leetcode daily challenge. It is a medium problem today. 2654. Minimum number of operations to make all array elements equal to 1. The two things we have to know for this problem is, first, the GCD for number 1 and any given number is 1. Second, the GCD of any given number, or the GCD of any two same number would be the number itself. So for GCD, we can define our own GCD or just use the default library. But the purpose is to see if there's one, if we can count the frequency of 1, if there is a 1. Say, for example, after the first operation, we turn this number 4 to number 1, then we know definitely it is possible. It will take us no more than 3 times, so we can make all the other numbers to 1. But if there's no one, but the total number, all the numbers left, say if all the elements in this array are all the same, equal to the length of the array itself, that means it is impossible to get any GCD1, which means it is -1 for us to return. Let's take these two examples. Say 2, 6, 3, 4, and 2, 10, 6, 14. So if we can calculate the GCD, it will be 2, 3, and 1. Here we found a 1, then that means it is possible. But for this one, 2, 2, 2, then it is impossible. We cannot keep going for this precise until we found there is a 1 in this array, or we found that all elements are all the same in this array. Then we can stop the loop. But that's the approach how we resolve this problem. Next part for this video will be coding only. Feel free to fast forward.